Okay. Okay. Lads, this one here, okay, are solved questions, okay? Solved means you're going to get an answer. Now, what I'm going to show you is a couple of basic rules that you're going to do on simple questions. Right? So you have something like x plus 4 equals 3. This plus 4, you're going to move it over to the other side. And when you move a plus 4 across the equals, sign changes to minus 4, x equals minus 1. Now, what can also go wrong here is this. If I have x multiplied by 4, and that equals, let's say, 24. That is now 4x equals 24. And what a lot of people do is, this 4 does not mean plus 4. It means multiplying by 4. So that means the answer is 6. But when you bring that 4 across, it turns into a division. So what's multiplication now turns into division, which means it's on the bottom. So 24 divided by 4 is 6, right? So this is quite easy at the moment.
Do you have to do x equals 24 over 4?
Yeah, no, please do, because I'll show you now where this goes wrong. Okay. So example would be something like this: minus. So example would be something like number 3. Minus 4x equals minus 8. Now what a lot of people do is, once again, you got to bring the minus 4 is being multiplied. If I had a question like this, it behaves completely differently. In this question here, I bring the minus 4 underneath, and it comes minus 8 divided by minus 4. And when you do that, you put it in the calculator and everybody finds out it's 2. However, if it's minus 4 plus x, yeah, that means that the answer here is bring over the 4, and it turns into 8 plus 4, which is 12. It's very important to notice the difference. Yes, Sam?
How come it doesn't change to...
Okay, so you brought over the minus 4, because that minus 4 is not being multiplied. That minus 4 is getting added onto x.
4 was just like the x minute ago.
It's a different sum.
It's a different sum. So this minus 4 is being added to the x, then it moves over to your side. So there's two different parts, and this one is minus 4x, which is multiplying by minus 4, which means that to finish it off, you divide by minus 4. Now, guys, to do these questions, what's also going to happen is we're going to end up with something like, let's say, number 13, okay? They might try and get you to do something like this. So what else we're going to do with number 13 is just multiply out, and you're going to get 2x minus 2, and then you're also going to get x plus, and then it's going to be 4x minus 12. Now guys, when you're in a scenario like this, what you have to do is you have to get 2x, and you work off the 5 and the minus 2 off each other, and you get plus 3. On the other side, you're going to get x plus 4x is 5x, and then you're going to get minus 12. Bring the x's to one side, bring the numbers to the other side. You're going to get 2x minus 5x minus 12 minus 3. Okay, and then what we have is what's 2x minus 5x? Minus 3x, and then minus 12 minus 3 minus 15. Remember what I said? Bring the minus 3 directly underneath, and it's multiplied by minus 3. It's divided by minus 3. You can do that as well. So what you're allowed to do on both sides of this, guys, okay, you could actually, if they're both minuses, you can just change everything to plus, and then you can just say x equals 15 over 3, which is 5, whichever way you want. Okay? Yeah, that's it. So guys, what we're going to do now, we did 3 and 13. Okay guys, so for question 12, you're going to do, first and foremost, you're going to multiply, you're going to leave the 2 where it is, multiply into 6, because multiplication comes before subtraction there. So minus 12 plus 6x, then you're going to have 5x plus 15 minus 23. Then you're going to have 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Plus 6x equals 5x. 15 minus 23 is minus 8. Then you bring the 5x to the left and the 10 to the right. So you're going to get 6x minus 5x equals 10 minus 8, x equals 2. Okay, how many people got x equals 2? Alright, Mick, number 14, how'd you do number 14?
You leave the 11,
Yeah,
and then you do minus 2 multiplied by 2x, which is
minus 4x. Yeah,
And you do 10.
plus 10, yeah, equals,
10x
yeah,
and 5 plus 5.
yeah,
12x
minus 12x, yeah,
and minus 1 minus 4.
minus 4 multiplied by minus 1, two minuses when you multiply them,
4
plus 4. Okay guys, now let's tidy up. Minus 4x, what's 11 plus 10?
21.
21. And then on this side we have 10x minus 12x. Minus 2x. And then finally 5 plus 4? 9. Okay. Now lads, bring the x's to the left, bring the numbers to the right. So, Paddy, 2x to the left, what does it become?
2x
Plus 2x, well done. The 21 to the right?
minus 21.
Minus 21. And then what's minus 4x plus 2x?
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x. And what's 9 minus 21?
11 minus 11.
Minus 12, right? Now, we can do it Sam's way, where we can multiply both sides by minus 1. Or we can just say x equals minus 12 over minus 2. What would that give us? 6. Right, so x equals 6. Right, so that's our question there. So what do we do? 3, 12, 3, 13, 12, 14.